So I'll show you two solutions to solve this problem. One solution, we go to properties, then go to advanced system setting and environment variable, and we will add new. So I added before, it's in here. You will doing like that. Sorry for my bad English. Click new and doing that. And also here. Okay. If you play, sorry, if you play Android Studio and still gives you the problem, so we will go to another solution. Let's start. Another solution is you will install old version of JDK. This version is that works for me. Why? Because the problem is told you should install 32 GDK, and you will not find 32 JDK in Google. And I searched a lot for this problem and I didn't find anyone solve it. So I bet it in my channel. So what we should do? We should install uh, this version, Windows X 6. So you will install, you will download it, and you will install. After you installed, okay, you will go to your PC and see and program files and Android Studio and and Studio, and it will work for you. I have done that before, so it's solved. So I'm sorry for I told you and I didn't do it, and I am very very sorry for my bad English, but I wanted to help you. Thank you very much. Good luck.